Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you some of my favorite reading plans in the YouVersion app. So I'm going to open this guy up, jump down to the completed plans, and I'm going to show you 5 that have just really spoken to me in some pretty unique and powerful ways. So the first one here is the Elisha, A Tale of Ridiculous Faith. Now this one, is just so incredible. I've done this one probably half a dozen times in the last couple of years. And now Elisha was just a character who had extraordinary faith. The way he thought about God, the way he thought about miracles, just the boldness he had in every action he took. It's just so encouraging. And as you can see, it's about 2 weeks long, I think 13 days. It covers mostly 1st, 2nd Kings. And if you're looking to take your faith to a new level, definitely try that reading plan. All right, number 2 here, I'm going to pull up Depression, Devotional for the Wounded Spirit. And this one was super helpful. I found it during, just a really rough patch in my life. And even if depression is something you struggle with, this is an excellent devotional to reset your mind on the truth that God had for you, the truth about who you are and what He has and what He thinks about the life you're living. So, yeah, again, this one I think is about a week or 2 weeks long. It's so helpful, and it's just really going to give you the tools you need to work through that struggle you might be in right now. Third, kind of moving up here, is what I want to show you. It's called Trust, Hustle, and Rest. Now this was written by the guy who wrote Called to Create, a book I recommended. And it's specifically geared towards Christian business owners, Christian creatives, people who are trying to glorify God in their daily work. And these are pretty short. Some of them are between 3 and 5 days. He has a few of them out here, and this one's only 4 days. But it covers things that just apply directly to us who are trying to glorify God in our creative work and can get frustrated by the things we're seeing or not seeing. So this is a great one to add on to your thing if you want to improve the way you think about it. All right, this one, as you know, I was out sick from work for a number of months. And so reading about what God had to say about my body, about the promises He had over my life, that He is the one in control of my days, these things were so helpful to me to get into my mind. As you can see, it's about 3 weeks long or 20 days. And I can't recommend this one enough. If you've been sick or know someone who is sick right now, share this with them, because there is hope and strength when you are in illness. Like, when you can have hope, you can have hope because of the Bible, because of God, even when everything around you is telling you can't, that it's not worth it. So definitely pick that one up if that is a struggle you're currently going through. Now I want to jump over the last and 5th one. It's called Waiting on the Lord. Now, patience is not one of my strongest suits. Frustration is something I constantly have to battle against. But waiting on the Lord, this one really helped me think through why I was waiting, the heart I was waiting with, the motivations I had to wait. One thing I really respect about this devotional is that it begins every day with Isaiah 40:31. I'm not going to give you what it says because I want you to find that out on your own. But by the 5th day of reading that same verse in the context of waiting, along with all the other scripture that she's giving you, it just means something different. It means something so much richer by the end of it. And this is definitely what I'm going to have to do over and over again, because waiting is something I want to do well, because waiting is something we as Christians, even as humans, spend so much time doing. So we should learn how to do that well. So those are the 5 of my favorite reading plans from the YouVersion. And I'll probably do another video in the next week or 2 of my own plans that are on here, give you a little sneak peek. But just thank you so much. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow.